Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing Golden Tree Fortunes. So if you don't know what this is, it is basically another one of those slots games that promises with a payout. So as you can see, please do not download this game guys in the hopes of making money, since it's more than likely a scam. So as you can see right here, they have this PayPal icon right here on the upper left part of the screen. And once you reach a certain amount of coins or dollars, you can actually pay out. So what they claim is very outrageous, since if it were true, people would be making a lot of money, and this would make the news and would make the headlines, and people would quit their jobs if this were true. So please guys, avoid playing games like these. Oh, you can play them, but please do not play them in the hopes of making money. And if it were to make money, please do not expect a lot of money from them, since they're just games that are for free. So this is what it looks like right here. It's actually a slots game that encourages gambling. And yeah, that is basically it guys. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.